Hey guys, so it took over like 3 weeks to get here, but it finally arrived today. The 100 Thieves Geography Neck Gaiter. It was originally a pre-order back in I think August, and it was pretty funny how the pre-orders actually sold out within a day before they were supposed to end. So I knew some people were pretty mad that they weren't able to snag a jersey or neck gaiter because the pre-orders ran out. But yeah, I finally got mine. Took a real long time to ship. I mean, I live in California, so I'm surprised it took that long, especially since their warehouses are in LA. But I guess better late than never. Can only imagine how long it's taking outside US orders to arrive. Yeah, I got the red and black variant because, I just love the bread colorway, the bread color blocking and stuff. I know there was also the black and white colorway as well, but I prefer this colorway. Yeah, really nice. Feels nice as well. 100 Thieves tag at the bottom, and as you can see on the tag here, it's actually made in the USA, so that's really nice. And of course, you got the 100 Thieves black sticker along with it. So here it is on face. It fits pretty well. It's very comfortable. It's actually pretty long, so if you have a longer neck, I guess that won't be a problem. I know research says that you can't use this as a replacement for a face mask, so they suggest wearing an actual face mask underneath it and just to wear as a fashion accessory. Overall, I think this is a really nice accessory that 100 Thieves released, and I really like it. So I'll see you in the next one.